Hello everyone. Today's topic is functions in Python. Why we have to use functions or why we have to go for functions in Python. Not only in Python, other programming languages also using functions. Okay, mostly every programming languages will have the usage of functions. So now we are going to see the definition of function. What is function? Functions are set of reusable code. Function will have set of reusable code. Some codes now we will use repeatedly. Some calculations, for example, if you want to print some names, again and again, if you want to print the employee's name, and then again and again you want to calculate the employee's salary, kind of operations, so some repetitive operations can be defined within function. So any operations, it should be in a repetitive manner. So that kind of applications or operations or functions can be performed within a function. So functions are nothing but set of reusable block of code. Okay, so whatever you want to do repetitively, so repeat again and again, whatever calculations, average calculation, okay, made, what is that, mean, standard deviation, whatever, any type of calculation, if we want to do it in a repetitive way. So any repetitive operations can be defined within functions. Okay, so now we are going to see the syntax of function in Python. So before you want to make use of any function, first step is we have to define the function. So function definition, how you can define the function. So in Python we can define the function by using the def statement. The def statement is used to defining any function. Okay, the def statement is followed by function name with argument, and then finally it has to end with semicolon. If you are not giving semicolon, if you are forgetting to give semicolon, means you will be ending with a syntax error. No, automatically syntax error will come at the time of running the program. So it is better to avoid syntax error. So you have to give correct syntax while typing the statement, not only the function statement, any statements I am telling. So here we are defining this function print name. Just it will print the name, whatever name is there, it will just get print. Okay, so string is an argument of this function. Okay, so we have to this is called as the argument. This argument you will be get from the calling function. Here we are having two functions. This one is called function because it is being called by the calling function. This one is called calling function or main function. This function is calling boy. This is called calling function, means this function is calling another function. So this calling function is calling the second function. So the first one is called calling function or main function. The function being called by the calling function is called the subroutine function or subfunction or called function. So here this one is called function. So this function is calling this function. So here just it will get print the name, and then it is returning the same name as output to this calling function. Here in this calling function, what we are doing, just we are accepting the name as input. So input is getting input, we have to make use of this statement. So Python's input statement is as input only. Okay, so integer, float, string, any type of input you want to give to the system, you want to feed it manually, so you have to make use of this input statement. So using this input we are getting the name. Okay, and the name is getting stored in out. So then we are using this function. Whenever you want to call any function, you have to make use of the name. Just you can make use of the name of the function. So name of the function with some argument. Sometimes the function will have argument, sometimes function without argument also there. Okay, so again based on the operations what we are going to do. So here we are having string as an argument of this function. So this calling function is print name. So the name of the function is print name. So here we are using the same name for calling this function with the argument. Okay, argument, single argument only it is there. So the function is called by using this name and with single argument. So the argument, so whenever you get the input, the input will get automatically going to this called function, and then it will print the same, then and then it will return the same as the input to this calling function. So here this is a very simple example. I am explaining about function definition, function calling, and then finally this one is the output of the function. Just we are accepting the name and then passing the name to this called function print name, and then name is just printing what we are sending. It is just getting printed, and then it is sent back the same to the calling function. Okay, just it is printing the name. here I am giving the enter your name. It will ask the input will ask you have to give the input. So I gave the input as my name Sudha. So it is printing the given name is Sudha. Okay, this is the way the function is working in Python. Okay, first you got to define the function, then you can call the function. So we are having function itself is a very big ocean actually. If you want to give explanation or talk means we can talk more and more. Okay, so this is just a simple example of function definition. Okay, that's all.